Alright, so in the last video I showed you how to make this Gents ring with concave corners, but the sides were straight or flat. I'm going to show you how to take this ring and turn it into the ring on the right hand side where everything is nicely, the shank is curved. Alright, if you haven't watched this video of making this ring, I'll leave a link down below where you can find it. So let's take this ring and delete it. Let's go back to our shaded view. And the first thing I want to do is let's grab this ring and explode it. So go to the explode and let's get rid of this surface, this surface, this surface here and delete it. And the inside surface we don't need as well. All right, so let's work out how much we want the sides to actually bow. So to do that, I'm going to draw a line from the midpoint to the midpoint, right click, hit spacebar to repeat the command, click from the midpoint there to the midpoint there and right click. Then I'm picking that curve and this curve and I'm going to the scale handle here and I'm holding shift and I'm scaling this out just a little bit past that, and that's the amount of bow I'm going to get in my shank. So while I'm here, let's go to the arc tool. Let's pick that corner, and that corner. Actually, the surface we don't need. Let's get rid of the surface because it makes it easier to actually see. So let's go back to the arc tool again. Let's pick that corner. Oops. Let's bring up the arc tool. We want that corner, and the end of that line. All right. So let's do a sweep to command. Sweep to. Let's pick that edge, that line. Enter. All right, so on the right-hand side, you'll notice that the surface is high at the top on the right-hand side, and that's because this cross-section wasn't at 90 degrees, but that's okay, because I need to cut this ring in half in order to do a 2-rail sweep for the side view. So I'm going to take this line, use the cut line, just go all the way through. Okay, take the bad side, the side that's got the higher side, this side here. Okay, this surface here, and delete it. Now I'll take this surface and I'm going to transform, mirror across the y-axis. Alright, so let's do the sweep to for the side now. So let's go to the command line, right click, let's go and find sweep to rails, and I'm going to pick this edge, this line, and I'm going to point on the command line, and I'm going to point and click right on this edge there. Okay. Then I'm going to take this surface here, transform, mirror across the x-axis. Okay, let's take this surface, this surface, this surface, this, and this, and let's join it. Okay, let's take the circle, and we're going to cut a finger hole in, drag this all the way out, hold shift, and then last of all, we type in cap, C-A-P, and our ring is capped. It is a closed solid surface. So let's take a look at, let's put this ring on our rendered layer. Change object layer, and let's go back to our rendered view. And there you can see. So if you want to taper the top of the ring, you go Control Shift, you pick the surface at the top, pick the ball, and let's go up 1.5 mils. And then Control Shift the top again, Control Shift and select the top layer, holding the scale handle, hold shift, grab the scale handle and just bring it in just a little bit. Let's do it again. So hold this shift and let's bring this in just a little bit. There we go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks.